I think for all life, the ocean is significant. We all depend, live near, travel on, recreate in. We're in awe of the ocean. Any given weekend, there's thousands and thousands of people just along the shoreline, walking and swimming and jumping around and boogie boarding. And I think it's one of the major driving economic forces to San Diego because people come here for that experience. You know, they come here to have an encounter with the ocean. My name's Aaron Chang. I'm a photographer and an artist. I'm obsessed with water. So a lot of my work is trying to capture the emotion of engagement in the water. The beaches and the surf and the oceans belong to all of us. And right now, the ocean's imperiled. I think all of us want to know, what can we do? What can we do to help the oceans? So I remember maybe 30 years ago getting my first Surfrider water testing kit. And it felt empowering and exciting because you were actually doing something. So, you know, when I was approached this year to be the honorary chair of the art gala, I had that same kind of rush of excitement. And I was really honored by that and excited because I think the Surfrider is something that all citizens can join and become a part of it. It gives us an opportunity to set aside these crazy partisan issues that are driving our culture right now and unify behind a very common and decent goal, which is to protect the ocean. We're here, we live in this area, and we're part of this community. Let's take care of it. This is the Surfrider's 17th Art Gala. It's going to be a celebration of the artistic community coming together with the Surfrider Foundation, all the volunteers, all the different businesses, all the community, everybody that loves the ocean. There's going to be great art, there's going to be music, incredible food. It will be kind of a celebration with a movement and a cause. I'm really excited to be a part of it. It's going to be a great event.